Welcome to Crypto Vibes with your boy Lex Millie. Advance of retail investors could stand in the way of Pepe Coin's rise to top meme coin sentiments. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about today. We're missing something very important, guys, and I'm going to get into that. But before I do, if this is the first time that we come to my channel, hit the like button, the subscribe button, show your boy some love. Let YouTube know I'm here, and always stick around to the end of the video because I always give you a Pepe price prediction. So let's get it in. So basically what I'm seeing here, and I was looking at Twitter because it has a better article. Basically, we're not seeing retail investors into Pepe, which is kind of a problem. So let's read about it. Retail traders were mostly absent from Pepe's stellar rise to 1.5 billion market cap in a few weeks. Even as the token snagged billions of dollars in daily volumes and a host of copycats. So that 1.5 billion that we reached had nothing to do with retail investors. So it was just strictly Pepe fam. So this comes from a new report by on-chain analytics firm Sentiment. Sentiment compared the liquidity and trading metrics of Pepe against Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Shiba Inu dog breed that was once worth a cumulative 160 billion at its peak. Sentiment said that while Dogecoin and Shiba Inu hit trading volumes of 70 billion and 40 billion respectively at a peak, Pepe Coin managed comparatively lesser 2 billion. So they're saying that we hit about 2 billion, but Pepe Coin, Dogecoin and Shiba hit 70 and 40 respectively, and that was during when we went nuts, right? When they all hit their all-time highs. A big factor here, however, is that Pepe Coin raked up such volumes in the midst of a bear market, one that's marred with generally lower liquidity as key market makers scaled back crypto trading plans. This opens up the potential for future growth when the overall market conditions are better. So during a bear market, we were going parabolic. So that's to our favor. And when the next bull run starts, how can you expect Pepe not to be there? Although Pepe's trading volume is significantly lower, it leaves room for growth and untapped potential, Sentiment said. However, it means that the liquidity and retail participation, the market for Pepe is far less than Doge and SHIB was experienced in the past few years. So, in fact, it seems the retail landscape has changed dramatically, with retail participation appearing nearly non-existent. The report added, such scenario has resulted in dwindling volumes for meme coin projects among retail traders, ones who exist outside of crypto's Twitter, which may not represent the actual popularity or impact of a token in the real world. So they're basically saying that Pepe doesn't really have a use case, and the retail investors are not really attracted to it. So we just gotta get the retailers involved. So Pepe Coin believers, meanwhile, continue to hold a fairly bullish view on how the token may perform in the coming years. So it's a long article, and it comes down to basically saying that we believe, as Pepe Coin holders, we believe, right? And we think it's going to happen. So the retail investors are not really attracted to it because it's not really a use case for Pepe. But that can change. That can change very, very soon. We'll see what happens there. But let's get into Pepe. And let's get into these charts. Pepe is up 4% today, and the volume is 312 million, which is not awful, kind of where we were yesterday, but at least it's not going down, which kind of shows why we're kind of a little bit green, not a lot. We went up to rank 69. That's a funny number, 69. And, we're hanging in there, guys. We're doing the best we can. Let's look at these charts and see where we're going. That's what we're here for, right? Hope you guys are having a beautiful morning, and we are about to dissect this. So the chart looks normal, right? Kind of what we talked about yesterday. Looking like it's, definitely broke through the 5 hour moving average, which is great. And that is right here. See right here. And we can look at the right there, that green line. Let me fix that up a little bit. That green one right there. Basically broke through the 5 hour, and now it's attempting to break through the 8 hour moving average, which is kind of a good sign. We're still under 17.3, that red line there, right? So I'm not really convinced that we're ready to move, but there could be some good news tomorrow, and we're gonna see what happens. So there it is. It did kind of break through the 5 hour, and it did break through the 5 hour, but it did kind of break through the 8 hour. So as you can see, the cross there, and these are good signs, guys. These are good signs to don't freak out. But it's not going down. That's important, right? So let's look at this little area right here, and you can see that right there, it broke this blue line, which is the 8 hour moving average by volume. So the volume has picked up a hair. I'm not gonna say it's dramatic to where we're gonna fly, but we're kind of stuck in this little zone right here until maybe tomorrow when we're hoping to get some news from Coinbase that says that we are listing Pepe Coin. So we'll see what happens. So where are we going from here? Real quick, this early morning, so you guys can have an idea. Maybe can think about what we're going to do here. I wouldn't touch Pepe right now. I mean, at 15, it was attractive. 14.6, 14.6, it was attractive, which was right about here. That's not a bad spot to buy. And if it goes down, you can, dollar cost average. So where are we going from here? We need to bust this line right here. If we can't bust this 17.3, then I don't think the upside continues. But it looks like it wants to start heading that way, as you can see here with the actions here. And you just never know, guys. We'll see what happens. I think tomorrow might be a hype day, and we might be able to do it. But if not, then continue the further movement down to always the 13 cents and 11 cents, 10 cents, 9 cents, somewhere in that range. So don't be surprised if that happens, guys. And if it does, just dollar cost average. Okay. I do believe that if we can break that 17.3, we will head up to at least the 18s and then possibly the 21s and on. So that's my prediction for you guys. I hope you guys like the video. Always leave me a comment. I always respond to everybody. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Show your boy some love. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.